Math 1, your final benchmark, number 14. The number of people who liked a particular video online triples, that's important, triples every day after the day the video is posted. If 15 people liked the video the day it was posted, so that's the initial amount, which inequality, that just means less than or greater than, can be used to find the number of days t it takes the number of people who liked the video to reach more than 3,000. All right, so more than 3,000 means I need greater than 3,000. All right, so greater than 3,000 already eliminates A and C. All right, triples means this is exponential growth. Exponential growth. All right, so this is linear, and this one's linear. That one's already been eliminated. That means the only one it can be is D part. And we get that because we know that raised to a power of t, or the variable is your exponent. That means it's exponential. And then we started with the initial amount of people, which is 15. It triples each day, and we want something greater than 3,000. So the correct answer for number 14 is D.